The SUMIFS function is one of my favorite functions. I use it all the time, and it's incredibly useful. So today we're going to extract from this data set the total sales value of buyers that are age 33 and own both a car and a house. So the way we're going to do that is using a formula called SUMIFS. SUMIFS allows you to sum a column based on the criteria in other columns. So for instance, if we wanted to sum the price column based on criteria in columns D, E, and F, we would have 7 total arguments because we would have the sum range, and then we would have a criteria range 1 and the criteria 1, and then so on and so forth for the second and third columns that we care about. So let's do that. The sum range is going to start in B3. It's going to be a half open range, so B3 to B. And then the first criteria range that we care about is in column D, so D3 to D. And then the actual criteria we said is going to be any buyer whose age is 33. And for whether or not they own a car, that would be column E. So E3 to E is our second criteria range. And then the second criteria is going to be true. Our third and final criteria starting in column F. So F3 to F, once again, an open range, half open range. And we'll say true for this one as well. So what that means is that out of this total data set, $4,087 are generated by buyers that are age 33 and that both own a car and own a house. So that's it for part 1. Be on the lookout for part 2.